Chicken is marinated in oil, gram flour, spices, ginger and garlic paste, yogurt, and a ground chili, mint, and coriander paste mixed together and then smoked on the barbecue.
Welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today I'm going to be remaking an old recipe. These are Pahadi Kebabs. These kebabs are morsels of chicken that are cooked together in spices and a green masala paste. This green masala is made out of coriander and mint and hung yogurt. It is absolutely delicious. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking.
I have 2 pounds of boneless chicken breast here and I just cut this into cubes. I'm going to marinate this with the juice of half a lime and salt and pepper to taste, and I'm just going to leave this aside. While this marinates, I'm going to work on the green paste. In my food processor, I'm going to add the juice of half a lime, 2 tablespoons of green chili, and I've got 2 cups of mint, followed by 2 cups of coriander leaves. I'm going to grind this, and as you can see, it's pretty coarse. So I'm going to add a few tablespoons of water and I'm going to grind it again till smooth. I'm going to lightly toast 2 tablespoons of gram flour and I'm going to cool it. Now for the second marinade, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of mustard oil, the 2 tablespoons of toasted gram flour, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala, 1 teaspoon of Chaat Masala, 2 teaspoons of Kasuri Methi, and 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. I'm also going to add a little bit more salt to taste and 1 cup of hung yogurt. This is simply yogurt that has just had all the water drained out of it. Now I'm going to add all of that green masala as well and mix everything together. For best results, marinate this overnight. When ready to grill, I'm going to skewer these. I'm going to use my grill for that barbecue flavor, but you can easily cook this on a pan or in the oven. This on both sides, and this is ready to serve.
Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for Pahadi Kebabs. It's truly a very simple recipe but packs a lot of flavor. If you love this recipe, do give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. I love hearing from you. Also, make sure to share this video with your family and friends so they can enjoy it as well. And be sure that you subscribed and that you've rung the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Also, make sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.